Hello, in this part of the tutorial, we build an Electron app for our meal prep app that we created through part 1 to 9. We had earlier tested this, now we are doing it for the final app. We ensure that all the code for BANanoElectron is set up properly. To check if Electron is installed globally. To check if the Electron packager is installed locally. To check if Electron is installed locally. Run npm install locally. Build Windows executable. npm run start. We have the Banano library, our JavaScript transpiler. We have BANanoElectron. We have Banano Firestore, our wrapper for Firestore. We have BANanoVuetify, our Vuetify wrapper. We have our abstract designer layout we did before. These are the views and component modules we created before. Let's build the Electron app. This process takes a while. The Banano transpiler is working now. BANanoElectron is working now. The Electron packager is being installed locally. Electron is being installed locally. The app is installed with npm install. The Electron packager is building the Windows executable. npm run start is being executed. A connection to Firestore database is made. We sign in. currently saved recipes are shown. Let's add more recipes. We place our orders for recipes. Our profile shows the updated recipes we have ordered. This is the complete meal prep app in Electron.